over to Javi's house to do a little install on this car.
Vince and Kyle are coming. They were always talking shit about who'd be faster, like pushing wheelchairs and stuff, because I have, you know, I have different wheelchairs and I play basketball and all that. They're always talking shit they can be faster, so we'll do a wheelchair drag race and see who's faster. I got some helmets here they're gonna bring. I told Kyle to bring his helmet. They don't know what they're in for. We'll see what's gonna happen.
So what we're going to do is install a GT350 manifold on this car, and we're also going to pair it with a Lund Flex E85 tune. I'm running a little bit behind right now. I'm stuck at a light. So with the magic of video editing, I'm going to send you straight over to the install. See you there.
Newest.
Dang, that usually works.
Those are Borla Atak and free flow exhaust. He's so pretty. Damn, dude. Can't even put my finger in there. Nope. What's up, man?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good, yeah?
Not bad, not bad. Ford Performance Pack 2, right?
Correct.
GT350 color intake, GT350 throttle body. And what's going on? The GT350 manifold, injectors. So first step, so if you down here, push in, and it's releasing, comes up, boom, just like that. Disconnect power for the fuel pump. After we disconnect the fuel pump, we start it up, it'll start, and then it should die. Unplug the battery and let it cool down. Taking the start bar off. We'll get this car out of here to make some room. 10mm here, unplug the MAF. I wanna say 8mm here, and then 1, 2. Yep, just 1, 2. All right, color intake is out. Next is throttle body, just so we can make some room. Throttle body's out. Disconnected the throttle body, disconnected the evap here. Gotta get it out for both sides and it comes right out. And then the same thing, you kind of push in, push down here, and then push out, and it comes out, boom. All right, so we took 4 10mm, and this just comes off. These come off. And then same shit here. Gotta find out how to get it out without fucking ripping it. Been so awesome. He figured out he doesn't need this spacer.
I'm smart sometimes.
It's like that meme. Are you guys one of those people who blow it and wait for it to cool down? Or do you go...
What the fuck? 3, 4. Now 4 on the other side. That's how you work in style. There you go. All 4 injectors are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 on that side, 8. There goes the paddle. Hey, bell swing.
Oh my god, yeah, that's good.
I definitely want that.
That feels so nice. That's why I put the belt on myself. I know. That's great.
Damn.
Wow.
Good thing I was holding on some pizza.
I think a little pee came out. Was not expecting that.
Just a little.
How's my tries look?
Weak.
What?
Just like your motor right now.
Your tries?
This is what Kyle has to work with on a daily basis right here.
Oh yeah.
It looks bigger as you get closer, but far away.
It's the movie theater effect. Newest part in Vince's car, the chum bucket.
Yeah, courtesy of Plankton Motorsports. Thanks for that, guys. Shout out to them. Maybe not.
One job.
Take two.
3 simple 8mm. And it's backwards. It's upside down. YouTube certified.
YouTube certified.
Okay. Alright, you gotta get that side now.
Yep, you got it.
Okay.
Well, you want to go over there and take it off?
No, that's fine.
I can't do it.
Oh! Shit.
Well, that's why.
There you go. Alright, now we got. Let me see that tool again.
You're gonna do the same thing on this side.
Got it? Yeah. It's out. Now we gotta clean those off. Vacuum out, clean these off. Pretty clean. Pretty nice. So from the stock manifold, we're gonna transfer the evap. We're gonna transfer this vacuum. The evap's gonna go here. Then the vacuum's gonna go on this side. This guy's gonna kind of push it out. Oh shit. There. And then this goes back in. You see the lines on the injector? Right there? That's where these little fucking the little edges where these go in. And that's it.
I didn't have such pansy hands. Alright.
You get paid from the shoulders up, you know.
That's true. It's a quick switch, right? Like Indiana Jones.
That's stock to stock.
Yeah, no, you really gotta pull.
You're holding a stock in your hand.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. It's early enough. We get a log and you'll send it to Nobody saw that. Evap, once you get it all, it just comes off. It goes right here.
I got made fun of for it.
No, you need to see that.
That's what I thought, but they said you don't.
Scalpel.
Yeah. Thin leg. Is that what they say? Thin leg?
Yeah.
How ironic.
I watch Grey's Anatomy a lot.
Me too. But we're not gonna put that in the video.
Yeah, we're not plugging them. Oh. You gotta insert the heartbeat sound effect.
From back. She wasn't at the door.
Oh.
She's faking it like real good. Put him
This way.
Is that?
Yep, we're in.
Is it good on that side?
Now it is. Aside from my sweat.
Oh, the dumpster's here.
Perfect.
Nice. Seamless.
They're loading up your car vents.
Yeah, they don't push in, do they?
Yeah, they do. It's like a little hook. There you go. Because stock, it goes
over.
Yeah. And I think the brake booster
The brake booster comes over here, right?
goes over, it goes under this. We'll figure that out when it comes, but I just set it stock like that.
it's fine.
Because once you tighten it down, it goes like this,
Yep.
and it sits fine, it reaches.
Yeah.
Let's do this brake booster first.
Yes, just squeeze up both hands. You are the weakest link.
It's angled.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's Vince.
Yes, on a good day. Yeah, we're good.
It'll be fine.
We good. Now,
This is what Miguel couldn't find.
slots in.
God damn it.
Watch out for that.
That's Do no, you need an 8 trigger. Or 7. Come on, don't tell me when you look for dildos, she doesn't see it on her Facebook.
Kidding me? Really? Darn it! I knew it too.
Well, we just talked about dildos, so all our phones are gonna have dildo.
Extends.
Kyle, remind me to get a new dildo on my head.
Oh, we could stop together.
You know they got the shared dragon. This will, you'll put this on, you'll hear a nice firm snap, and you'll know it's on. It's very important to have these on all the way. Might mess up your tune and your data logging.
That's where all your horsepower comes from.
Right.
That's it.
Yep. That's it, homie.
Looks good. Solid.
All right, so it's all back in. The only different modifications we had to do, instead of using the LMR hose, we used a stock one. We just cut a little bit. And then here, this hose was too long because he has a GT350 cold air intake, which is usually people use stock or PMAS or something else. So we just cut this a tad bit, put it there, works. The extender for the evap, everything else looks good. Now we're gonna plug the fuel pump, throw in the tune, and spray and spray. All right, tune is on, and let's see what happens. Look at that, like butter. Like butter.
Like butter?
Yeah. It's race time now. You go race? You go race?
Sprint race.
You go race?
Race.
We're gonna race. We have 2 helmets there. Kyle's got a helmet.
I do.
I got 3 wheelchairs. Oh, remember that? Oh, remember that talk we had? Oh yeah, I got them. I don't know if they were ready for that or not, but
Let's go, let's do it.
they had a while ago, they were talking shit about these muscles that they had, and they have muscles and how much faster they are in wheelchairs. Well, I got 3 wheelchairs and we got 3 helmets, so 3 chairs, 3 guys. They talk shit about all these muscles that they have. I'm pretty sure it's just like our cars right now. They have no chance.
I gotta lift the visor, it's too hot.
Ready, set, go.
And we say bye-bye.
Hey, I almost had you.
Dude, I almost had you.
I was like, I'm not gonna be last. I was like, I'm pulling him in. That's exhausting. Well, okay, you're faster than us.
In both ways.
In all 3 ways.
Oh my god.
Ready, set, go. Where are you going? You got the gap! You got the gap! How do you feel?
I feel like $1 million hairs.
I don't know if Kyle noticed, but I got some weight reduction.
Oh shit, that's what mattered. Now we know. Where'd the leg go?
Got
the
the sauce. That was a good video you did, by the way. That was
Of us driving the car.
yeah, with her driving it.
Oh, I didn't watch that one.
Come on, Kyle. You're not very supportive.
I tried.
You gotta watch, like, comment.
Comment, yeah. Watch, like, comment.
Well, I don't have a YouTube.
I don't have-
You don't have a Gmail account?
I have a Gmail account.
That's all you need. Sign into your Gmail, go into YouTube, watch, like,
Yeah, every
comment.
See, that's why it took you so
This
long.
guy.
That's why it took you so long to get 500.
This guy.